we go, losing self-control. I keep telling myself, but I don't wanna let you know. Is this what we become?
Hi guys, it's Maggie. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing this orange and purple cut crease. I love doing cut crease looks. If you want to see how I got this look, just keep on watching and subscribe to my channel for videos every single week. And yeah, let's get started. Okay, so to prime my eyes, I'm going to be using a very light concealer so all my colors can pop. I'm going into my Juvia's Place Zulu palette, which looks like this. And these are all the colors. I'm going to be using the orange shade right here. So this is how it's looking like. It's very nice and pigmented. We're gonna come back and blend that out later. The next color I'm going to use is this one right here. It's that purple shade. I'm going to take that and put it directly onto my crease. I'm actually going to use an angled brush and dip it in. And I'm going to trace my crease. Like that. I'm going in with another brush just to blend it out a little bit. Okay, so this is what it's looking like. I'm going to use concealer to clean out my lid and cut my crease a little bit so everything can look clean. I want to set it with a really light shade, so I'm going into my Pure Cosmetics Soiree palette. It looks like this, and I'm going to take the lightest shade, which is this one right here. It's called Mogul. I'm going to use that shade to set my eyes. I actually want to darken the crease a little bit more, so I'm going to use the shade Epic, which is this dark brown shade. I'm going to use that to darken the purple.
Round and round we go, losing self-control. I keep telling myself, but I don't want to let you know. Is this what we become? Strangers on.
I'm going to use that purple to blend everything out. Lastly, what I'm going to do is use that orange shade and go over everything. And I'm going to just use a clean fluffy brush and blend everything out. And I'm going in with the purple shade, and I'm going to use that on top of my lash line. I'm going to be using an angled brush to do that. It's going to look almost like an eyeliner, but purple.
That's the way every day goes. Looking back, I know we started falling. We were falling in love, yeah. Took my heart and you wrote off. Was I feeling never enough for you, baby? When you left me
I'm going to finish my foundation and concealer off camera, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm going to be using the same dark brown shade from the Pure Cosmetics palette. And I'm going to be using that to smoke out my lower lash line. And I'm going to use the purple shade to blend it out. And I'm going to use a tiny little bit of the orange to blend everything out. I'm going to extend the purple just a little bit. I'm just using that same shadow I put on the lid and just intensify the white. I'm going in with the shade Dazzle and put that in my inner tear duct. The last thing I'm going to do is put on some lashes, and I'll be right back with the final look. So my lashes are on and the rest of my face is finished. For highlight, I was thinking about using the Fenty Beauty, the Killawat Foil Duo. I was thinking about using the shade Sandcastle as my highlighter. Sandcastle is this shade right here. I'm gonna use a little bit of that.
Round and round we go, losing self-control. I keep telling myself, but I don't wanna let you know. Is this what we become? Strangers on.
So yeah, this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this eye makeup tutorial. And remember to please thumbs up this video and subscribe to my channel for videos every week. I'll talk to you guys back on my next video. Bye.